And in this video, I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use Google Gmail accounts or creating it, or at least try to message people, email people, just letting people know that. Yeah. Okay, so while you're in the Gmail account, you get to choose by kind of making your account first. So over here in this account we have here, you're gonna click on that and then it will show add an account or all your accounts that you've been using. Next over here, you got the whole sign in page, sign in, make an account. So if you have an account, you get to sign in, making your Gmail account, or you could also go to create an account. So there's three kinds of options into creating an account, which is for my personal use, for my child, or for work or my business. So I'm going to be choosing my personal use, creating a Google account. So you get to have your first name, your last name is optional. Here is just all the basic information that they need to know, like why, your birthday, your gender, and all that, just to see your information. So as if somebody logs in, which is normally your password, but mostly just using your account, or if you are underage, then they're gonna make you get a child's account, basically. So yeah, here is making your account. So you get to choose your Gmail address, your Gmail email or so. Okay, so you get to choose from here or over here. These are some examples on some that aren't created yet, or some you can make your own. So you could use letters, numbers, and periods. Creating a strong password is not, you don't have to create a strong password, but if you don't want people to log into your account really easily, which is pretty hard to do since uh about a lot of people got their passwords leaked. So basically, please make a strong account password, or at least make some strong passwords, like numbers and symbols in them at least, or some letters. Okay, so this is the part where you basically, if you make an account that looks kind of like a robot, it will show this kind of verification code. So that if you made an account already, or if you need a lot of accounts already created, then they will ask you for a phone number, unless if it's yeah. So they'll try to get a verification for your phone. So yeah, so I basically just put in random letters or so. So basically, they think that they detected me as a robot. Okay, so after you create an account, here you're gonna have your Gmail page. So it has your inbox, your compose, stare, starred, snoozed, important chats, sent, drafts, all mails, spam and trash, categories, making them a key ones, all that. So let's go to compose. That's the first thing that we'll see. So how to make an email is pretty simple. You could just put random letters to someone, or make a whole business account, or kind of whatever you want to do. So too, you gotta put their phone number or their email or anything like that. Subject. So subject is the title of what that's the important thing that it is, or just make it random. Here you just put all the stuff. Here, emojis, insert emojis, pictures, if you need you need to send people some pictures of a cat or a dog, or pictures that they needed but it was from your phone, and then maybe just messages. But if you don't have a phone number, so you could always use your email, because meals are actually important when you grow up. So basically, yes. Okay, so I'm going to close this out. Okay, So here we have our inbox. Your inbox is all where you get your emails or emails sent. Your drafts is where you made all your like messages and then you accidentally like close the tab or you like think about anything else you needed to add or edit them or so. So they will be in your drafts if you, because they will autosave. Just letting you guys know that. So we have chats since importance news starred. So starred is where you have your all emails, and then you could also star them to where you want them as so. Then snoozed all the time, days or so. Important chats with people, like maybe meetings. Sent, and then yeah, drafts, all mails, spams, like people who sent you random emails or just random texts, emails or so. And then trash, if you like accidentally delete one, then you could maybe also recover them. Categories, and then labels. Okay, so here on the side we have Gemini, so Google Gemini. You have the settings, the Google Apps, 3 dots, 9 dots, whatever you call it. You need support, if you need feedback, all that. So let's go to settings. So after you go to settings, here you have your quick settings. So these are just like to goes and stuff. So like density, like default, comfortable, and compact. So let's see over here. I'll show you guys. So you have default. So this is the regular one. Comfortable is just basically not that different. It's just like it feels more comfortable. Yeah. So default is just it shows all the stuff over here, and then yeah. Compact is very like small, very like easeable, like smaller to read, but it's very like it doesn't take up that much space. Themes, we could all view it all after this. Inbox type, default, important first, unread first, start first, priority inbox, and multiple inboxes. So we have the default one, the important first, and then unread ones on the top, or start first, or priority inbox, and then multiple inboxes. So I'm gonna click on defaults. Reading pane, so no split. Yeah, so to turn on the reading pane, Gmail needs to reload. So yes, so here are just all the reading panes. So let's go to all settings. So here we have our text, our formatting, all like the maximum page size, undo sends, hover actions, grammar, spelling, autocorrects, smart compose, nudges, um, Google Workspace smart features, so manage them. Stars, you get to like choose all these stars over here. And then vacations responders, so like while you're away, and then it automatically sends you like the text like thank you or you're welcome, all that kind stuff over here. So you could also just like put like random letters like after like a text, like someone like messages you, it automatically like puts like thank you or yeah, so each time when you're away it will reply or so. Yes, so here are the subjects, all the yeah, the titles, last days, labels, so these are like the labels over here where you get to add them. Inboxes, this is not really that important. It's just all your stuff, your emails that comes from people, TikTok, social media kind of stuff. Accounts and import, change passwords, change all of them. Filters and blocked addresses. forwarding and pop impact, add-ons, chat and meet, so Google Chat, or if you want to have the chat, I can always just turn it on or turn it off. Advanced, offlines, and then themes, so we could set our themes over here. These are actually pretty cool. So we have like a ninja, a bus stop, candy, tea house, turf, treetops, androids, random. So I'm gonna be choosing the tea house one because I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's go to the labels. So here, over here, labels, you get to create a label, and specifically if you like put emails inside, like this is work, this one's like not that important, or this one's just the top ones, or yeah. So we're just gonna put work, and then here are just the details. So these are just like all the labels over here. So create a label. Over here is just all like the label emails. You could also make another one for like not importance or importance. Okay. So yeah. So basically, can't put important. Importantly. Okay. So yeah. Because this is the label of important already, so I don't think we can make that anymore, so yeah. So chats, you could chat with people all around, yes. Promotions, socials, all these kind of stuff that actually is cool. How to make your account and stuff. Here's just your trash on what you delete. So yeah, so whenever you get an email, it'll show and pop up over here. So yeah, you could always click on them. Protect your privacy with your phone number just in case if anyone deletes it or anyone hacks into your kind of account. So yeah, basically this is all the stuff that you guys need to know about for Gmail. I mean, it's pretty simple just to get all these Gmail types down. It's not really that hard, not that much stuff you need to really do. I think Gmail is pretty cool since there's a lot of upgrades that they do, and a lot. I think it's pretty cool. I think that I get like emails like all the time. I check emails mostly like once in a while, yes, like every single day or so, just in case of like I get like some kind of email. There's also a mail app on to your whole account or like your whole phone or so. iPad, any kind of device that you use. So basically, all that you need to know about. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification for more other educational stuff or Roblox stuff, gaming stuff that you guys need to know about. I think, yeah. So basically, yeah, I hope you like this video and bye.